Should I kill him first?
No.
That's gross though.
Please
I
don't.
can't see
You
her.
never know what rat he's been hugging.
You gotta get more light.
I know. Turn, Maddie, this way.
I can't kill him?
No, well, you kill him when you bite him. Maddie, don't concuss him.
It's now or
Stuff is
never.
coming out.
Yes. No, don't.
Will
Maddie,
it kill
just
me?
don't do it. Don't do it.
Do it. Do it.
It's no worse than a ketchup scab, except for it's moving. Oh.
Oh!
If I throw up, I'm sorry.
Don't do it, Madison Lynch. Madison Lynch.
You'll pay me.
I'm not paying you.
You
crap.
said $5.
Yeah, $20 alive, nothing for dead.
I'm sorry, buddy. I need some water. Hold on.
Your water's right there.
Take it like a pill.
Madison, don't. Madison,
I'm doing it.
your mom said it.
You are so nasty.
That's too gross.
Oh my god,
That's really gross.
That is your daughter.